Paano tanggalin o i-delete ang mobile number na nakakonect sa ating Facebook account? Just follow these steps. Punta tayo sa ating Facebook account. And then, pindutin natin ang bahay. And then, ang 3-line hamburger. Punta tayo dito sa settings. Click personal details. Click personal details again. And then, makikita nyo dito yung info nyo, yung contact info nyo, yung Gmail account nyo, and yung number na nakakonect sa inyong Facebook account. Click nyo lang yan, and then, pindutin nyo lang yung number, yung arrow sign, and then delete number. Once you delete that, okay na po yan. Thank you.
Yeah.